That's a big bottle. I started using in November last year, 2020. That was because my skin was terrible. My hyperpigmentation was getting worse because we just got here and then I didn't use any products, so my skin got worse and worse and worse. It was so embarrassing. I felt my confidence level was really down because of the hyperpigmentation. So I was constantly looking for products available in Oman. Then I found this Muscat, the spa forum. Yeah, and then I saw like everybody's talking about SAE product. It's highly recommended, highly recommended. Another person chimed in, highly recommended. So why not? I give it a try. So I contacted you. The biggest change is the hyperpigmentation, which is significantly reduced, and the pores. I used to have very big pores, especially this part. So after I use that, it just feels smooth now. I don't feel that you know that, I don't know how to explain it. That is a bit rough last time, but after I use SAE, the whole regime, and then it feels very smooth now. Even my husband said it looks nicer now. Product I like the most, I think most probably is the night oil. I love that the most because I never used oil product before. I'm a cream person. My whole life I've been using cream because I thought that's the only way to get your skin moisturized. So, but then I saw this. I tried. This is the first time I tried, and it's not oily at all. It shocked me. I thought, hey, oil, it must be oily. But then I just give it a try anyway, and then it's so nice. You wake up in the morning, skin still very much refreshed.